Let's talk about fields and web edits and how to work with those. So I got two fields here that we can fill out, and I can click in here, and right away you can see that the XPath given to me contains an ID. Excellent. So we can use that XPath, right? And I wouldn't complain about this just because it has an ID. As if it has an ID, we can obviously use the ID value to pass into the WebDriver doing something like by.id. Just like that. And also, I mean, that's about it. If it has an ID, that's great. If you want to get complicated, right, I can show you guys how to get complicated. If you want to get to the P level, so rather than a star, let's put a P here. And inside, if I hit enter now, that doesn't select anything, right? So let me copy this over, go back to here. So if inside of the P, we have an input living. So input, and the input has an ID that's there. So if I hit enter, that works exactly as required. But why is that necessary? That's just extremely complicated, over-engineered, and we don't need that at all. Therefore, something like this, with a star, of course, works just as well, except it's not over-engineered, just a simple query. So I would just simply use the identifier. Don't make your life harder if you don't need to do it. Just use the simple identifier. Selenium provides us for this. Just pass in the value, and that's it. Email field. Let's look at the email field. Same thing. It has an ID. Use the ID. No problem.